Well, today we'll be talking about Jhumpa Lahiri's Unaccustomed Art. As you know, Unaccustomed Art by Jhumpa Lahiri is a short story collection, and it's published in 2008. The immigrant experience, especially in the United States, is one of the conflicting identities, and it's also constantly reconciling two or more different cultures. So, how does that experience present itself in everyday life? And Jhumpa Lahiri, seeks to answer this question in her, most famous and critically acclaimed short stories, and her other novels as well. So her short stories and novels are award-winning short stories and novels. We see that Jhumpa Lahiri's writing illuminates the hopes, dreams, and longings of Indian immigrants living in America. It also pictures the unique struggles of bridging the cultural differences within a family and sharing the unique Bengali culture with a wide spread of audience around the world, and particularly in the, of course, with the South Asian audience. So her writing, the illumination of her writing extends beyond the South Asian region. So readers from all over the world read her stories. And well, in Unaccustomed Art, there are 8 stories in total, and these stories are divided into 2 parts. There are 5 unconnected stories in part 1, and 3 connected stories in part 2. The first 5 stories share the themes, the settings, and characters are independent of one another, and the last 3 stories, can be read independently, but they work better as they are designed to be read as a triptych. The last 3 stories particularly tell the stories of Hema and Kaushik. The first story focuses on the meeting of Hema and Kaushik as children, and the second story follows Kaushik when his father remarries, and the third story focuses on their reunion as adults. So all these stories in Unaccustomed Art focus on the members of Bengali families dealing with Indian American cultures. As you